quiet and calm as the lake. Could take some months from now until the last ice breaks. It gets warm in our hearts. We fall from the ground. The new season starts. New worlds to be found.
All I need is a simple thing to help me through and continue in. It's a scary place for a little girl. Would you help me out to a better world? Can you take me to that place where we live to end of days? Just you and me, eternity. If this was only in my dreams, would you mind and let me sleep and wake me up when winter ends? 'Cause I